Secure your home like a pro with the Tuya Wi-Fi smart alarm system, featuring 99 defense zones, solar-powered sensors, and voice control via Alexa and Google. Comprehensive protection. 99 wireless zones cover every entry point, doors, windows, water leaks, and more. PIR motion detectors catch intruders before they strike. Triple connectivity, GSM, 4G, and Wi-Fi ensure alerts get through. Power outage? Low battery? Anti-tamper attempts? You'll know instantly via SMS, app, or call. Smart Home Mastery syncs with Tuya, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Arm your system with voice commands while cooking or watch Netflix. Solar sustainability. Outdoor sensors use solar panels, no battery replacements. Eco-friendly and cost-effective for long-term security. Global accessibility. 9-language interface supports users worldwide. Manage rentals, vacation homes, or main properties remotely via the Smart Life app. Renter-friendly, no complex wiring. Plug-and-play setup with door and window sensors. Perfect for tenants or landlords seeking affordable security. Imagine this: you're on vacation, get a water leak alert, and shut off the main valve remotely, all via voice command. For homeowners who demand military-grade security without complexity, this is the 2024 essential. Explore it on Aliexpress, where peace of mind meets smart innovation.